This episode is sponsored by Built by Plant Supplements, the elite plant-based nutrition supplement company. Provides you with support for all of your goals, whether that's building muscle, losing fats, improving your performance in the gym, and getting some great night rest. All right. So if you're tired of people asking you constantly, where do you get your protein? Tell them bbpsubs.com. Come over and grab you some vegan protein powder, chocolate frosty flavored. 110 calories per serving with 22 grams of protein. And if you don't like chocolate, we got a vanilla ice cream as well. Get your pre-workout powder so you can be a beast in the gym, and the creatine to support that muscle growth, all right? And if you really need some great night rest, go ahead and grab you some nightcaps. Good melatonin, gonna help you be knocked out, not waking up in the middle of the night, none of that bad stuff, all right? So bbpsubs.com, use the checkout code BBP10 and save 10% off your whole order. On top of that, free shipping over any order over $75. bbpsubs.com. Let's get back to the episode.
What's up, family and friends, good people of the world? I have so many updates for y'all. We've been working so hard on the new Built by Plants Pocket Coach app specifically, because as you all know, there's the online desktop website, right? The web app, and then there's the actual mobile app. And currently the mobile app is only available inside of the App Store. If you have an iPhone, we are still working on the Android version, so just bear with us. But there's so many things that I want to talk about, discuss, so many new features and different things that we got going on that I couldn't just keep it to myself. I was like, I gotta let the people know. I gotta share it with the good people of the world. So really excited about it. Really happy to talk about this with you all. I'm going to be sharing my screen specifically from my phone, and we're going to dive into some stuff. We actually just had a new Pocket Coach member this morning sign up, Derek, and I was just texting back and forth with him. And just so you all know, you all do receive our phone number when you're a Pocket Coach member, and you are able to directly communicate with us, all right? Before we actually go into it, there's a $1 trial that you can. I just spilled some of the lemonade I got over here. Pre-workout, the Built by Plants icy lemonade. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let's see if it zooms in for y'all. Move my face out the way. Go ahead and focus. There we go. There we go. That hit different. I'm having some of that this morning because I'm going to get my workout in afterwards, after this live. But basically, you all get our phone number, you're able to communicate with us directly. And there's a dollar trial, all right? You can try out the Pocket Coach for $1, right, for 7 days. And then currently, it's just $27 per month. Now, that price will be going up because we've been putting a lot of work, a lot of value to the Pocket Coach. So I want to share my screen with you all and show you all of the dope things that we have in the Pocket Coach now, all right? It loads so much faster. Lots of new features. Really dope, really dope. All right, let me go ahead and pop over her. All right, now don't judge my messages. All right, I know I need to work on my text messages and responding and such. I hear it all the time. So you see how fast that loads up? Let me just put it up one more time for y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. So this is the new home screen. Let me see if I can make this a little bit more accurate. Okay. So this is the new home screen. This is what it currently looks like. Let me see. Am I out of focus? Okay, I think we're good. So the first thing you'll notice is at the top, it has members, okay? It has new members at the top. Or I'm not sure if it's new members. It just picks based off of whatever it wants to do. So we have our members at the top. So you can go through and see who's all a part of the Pocket Coach. You can see one of my accounts right there in the middle. And you have the ability to actually communicate and directly interact with everybody that's a Pocket Coach member. All right, got lots of Pocket Coach members. I'm not exactly sure how many. It's at least 100. So we have a pretty nice size, big growing community. And one of the things I wanted to do was to be able to let you all network and connect with each other and just build relationships up, right? So right now, all of the Pocket Coach members are currently inside of the Discord, right? We have a private Discord for people that are Pocket Coach members and coaching clients, the coaching clients as well, right? We're all in there. But I wanted a place exclusively where the Pocket Coach members, the active Pocket Coach members, right? Not people that had a membership years ago or whatever. I wanted all the active Pocket Coach members to be able to congregate, basically, and connect. So first, you'll see that we changed the home page screen. We have lots of quick links now for you to access everything. All right. So right here is the quick start course. Right. So you go through this course and it'll walk you through how to go ahead and get started with the Pocket Coach. Now, I will be updating this because there's been a lot of new changes. We have some new programs inside, new training programs, new nutrition courses, and different things like that. So I'll be updating the quick start guide. So that's soon to come. Now, the thing that is brand new to the Pocket Coach within the last, let's say, 2 months or so, we now have weekly Zoom calls. All right. Every single Sunday, we meet on a Zoom call and we're doing different things. Sometimes it's just checking in. Sometimes we're making sure that everybody's doing what they need to be doing. We're discussing what's going on with your current situation, putting some plans together, helping you navigate your life so you can stay on track with your fitness goals and your nutrition goals. Sometimes we're cooking new meals, right? We're cooking new things that we're putting inside the virtual kitchen. Usually how I go about it is I would just make a new meal, add it to the virtual kitchen, and let you all know when it's there. Now, when I make a new meal, we'll cook it on Sunday, right? In a group Zoom call. So the Pocket Coach members that want to join, they hop on, we cook together. I send you over the recipe, what we're going to be using prior to the Zoom call, a few days prior, so you can go grab all the ingredients. On the Zoom call, we all get together in our kitchens and then we cook, right? And I have the live set up so you can join if you're in a Facebook group and you're a Pocket Coach member, all those type of things. So now, as opposed to me having to send out the Zoom link every single Sunday, now if you are a Pocket Coach member, you'll see right here on the home page that you just tap right there on Sunday Zoom sessions. And what it does is it loads it up for you. All right, it says virtual sessions. It lets you know how many more days as an actual countdown timer every single Sunday or every single week before Sunday. It lets you know how many days before the next Zoom session on Sunday. So obviously today's Tuesday, so we got 5 more days, 4 hours, 7 minutes, basically, right? So super legit. Now, what happens when that Zoom call starts? You tap right there on meeting details, and you'll see right there where it says meeting link. There's an active link that you're going to tap on. You tap on the active link, and it's going to take you to the Zoom app so that you can hop into the Zoom call, right? And you can also do this from the computer. You don't have to do it from your phone because this is a website and it's an actual app that you can download from the App Store. So really legit, really cool. I'm really excited about this. It's going to make things so much smoother. And all the new Pocket Coach members, when they join, they can see it instantly. What everybody loves, one of the top 3 features of the Pocket Coach is the meal plans. All right. Everybody loves the meal plans. The ability for you to come in and create your own meal plan or for us to design it for you. And I'll show you one of them. All right. So right here, you'll see that you can scroll through. You can see everything that you're going to be eating Monday through Sunday. So if you want breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, and then it gives you the calories for the day, right? It shows you how many calories you're going to be taking in that day. So this day on Monday, 1573, right? It shows you your carbs, fats, and your proteins. Also shows you Tuesday, so on and so forth. So you know exactly what you're taking in every single day, right? The calories. And the cool thing about this meal planner is you can actually design it to your needs, your specifications. Let's just say you don't like, let me scroll through and see something. Let's see, let's go back up to Tuesday. All right. So for dinner, we're having the penne sausage pasta. Let's say we don't like pasta, right? You don't eat pasta. You can come here, remove that. You can tap on add item. And let's just say I want a bowl instead of pasta for dinner. It populates all of the bowls that we have inside the virtual kitchen, right? And it lets me add a new bowl. And you can, account for the calories, right? So that's that portion. Now, if I tap on the shopping cart, It automatically generates my grocery list, and I can check these off as I'm going to the grocery store, right? So the cool thing is that every time you add, let me go back to the meal planner. Every single time that you add a new meal or you take one away, it's going to automatically account for that meal with your grocery list, right? So it always populates a new grocery list. Tap there, and it's going to regenerate a new grocery list. Or if you need to regenerate a new one, you can see the shopping icon up there with the little recycle arrow. Tap on that, all right? And then right here, you can actually select the days that you want to regenerate for or that you want to shop for, and it populates it for you. All right. So if there's anything that's inside this grocery list that you can't buy in store, it'll be highlighted. So for example, the Built by Plants vanilla protein powder, I can tap on it and it'll pull it up the website so I can actually go in and buy it right from the app. Super legit, right? So that's that portion. All right. Now, you're probably also wondering, if you didn't hear me say it already, where do I get these meals from? Where are these meals coming from, right? And that's inside of the virtual kitchen. Now, if you see on the second tab at the very bottom, you'll see it says virtual kitchen. So what you do is just tap on that. And basically, this is going to populate all of the different recipes that we have. And it's going to be categorized based off of what style of meals you want, all right? So it's loading up. Mine is a little bit slow. And what it happens is it shows you your breakfast. So you can swipe through and see all the different breakfast ideas that we have, right? Not ideas, the breakfast recipes, the actual recipes. So you can swipe through and see. Same thing for your lunch, right? We just added this new sandwich, the creamy veggie sandwich, like yesterday, actually. This is a brand new recipe. Well, actually, you can see the date right there, April 17th. We just added that, right? If I tap on read more, what does it do? Basically pulls it up so I can see how many calories this meal is, so I can know if I can fit into my daily calories. It shows you the nutrition facts, the ingredients we use, the instructions, and we'll have the video up shortly so that you all can see exactly how to remake this. All right. Hold on one second. Let me see.
Okay, let me know if that's better. I wasn't the mic wasn't connected. Hopefully that sound better. Let me know if that sounds pretty decent. I'm not sure if y'all can catch that. If y'all can tell the difference. So that's how that part works, right? And that's the virtual kitchen. You can scroll through and see all of the recipes that we have. Breakfast, lunch, main dishes, and you can just swipe through to get a quick glimpse, see if there's anything that you like that you want to try. Snacks, and we add new ones every single month. Shakes, side dishes, all type of cool things. Appetizers, desserts, and at the bottom you'll see it says our cooking courses. These are our actual courses that teach you how to make food, right? Above is the recipes, but there are certain things that are staples that you may not know how to make, and you may want to learn how to make it. You know, some people don't know how to cook onions. Some people don't know how to cook, what do you call those things, Brussels sprouts, or certain things. So if you tap on how to make the basics, basically what it would do is load up the course, and you'll see all of the different things that you can learn how to make. So for example, right here, how to make the basics, how to make sauteed, how to saute onions, mushrooms, asparagus, Brussels sprouts, how to make black beans, all those cool things, even proteins, how to make tofu taste delicious, all type of cool things. And these are all videos that shows you how to do this, right? So that's that portion. Aside from the virtual kitchen, we also have courses. All right, so now this is how all the courses are looking. Before it was categorized based off of nutrition courses and training courses. Now all of the courses are in the same spot. So you can see up here are the academy courses, the essentials. So I always recommend starting off with the fat loss blueprint. Next we have the nutrition down here, right? The nutrition courses, and you can tap on see all to see all of them. Training, we have the training courses broken down. These are all of our training programs. We only show like 3 right there, but you can tap on see all to see all of the courses and such. All right. So that's how that broke down. Now you can see it says training, and these are all the different training programs that we have, right? Dumbbell only programs, women programs, guys programs, all those cool things. Now this is what I'm most excited about. this is the private community, right? Like I mentioned, our goal is to make the Pocket Coach as valuable as possible, right? And one of the things that we really wanted to do, like I mentioned, was build this community around it, which we have, but it's been more so inside of the Discord app, right? Our Pocket Coach members are all congregated inside the Discord app. So what we have is a personal private community where you can see everybody's feeds. Now, this hasn't been very active because I just got this part launched, so obviously there's not a lot of interaction here. It's just me because I was testing it out. Everybody's inside of Discord, like I mentioned, but we're going to be migrating from Discord over here to the Pocket Coach community, right? So it works basically like Discord or Facebook or whatever, or a Facebook group. You can post whatever you have. So at the bottom, you can see you can post images, videos, even GIFs, cool things like that. So you can post your training, sessions, your clips and things, your food, like you see me right here. This is what I made yesterday for lunch. So just some Beyond Steak and some veggies, some broccoli. So this is the really cool part, right? So I'm really excited about that. This is going to be really dope. I'm actually getting a call. Give me 1 second. Let me let them know I'll call them right back. 1 second, good people. That's funny. Matter of fact, I'll just text them. Okay. So we have a session. 1 second. Let's see here. Okay. So that's that portion. It looks like we're gonna have to be cutting this short. I forgot that we had a call. Does the app have a tab for stretches, exercises? We will be adding that. We have a whole stretch course that we're working on adding to the Pocket Coach. So we will be adding that pretty soon, hopefully within the next week or so. So that's the basics, right? That's the majority. What I am going to have to do is end this live because I forgot that we have a meeting coming up. But hopefully y'all can just see everything I was talking about, but also just watch the replay if you're just now joining, and you can see all the different features and such. But yeah, so this is the new app. This is the new way that it's designed, right? It's an actual social media community in addition to all the courses and the different tools that you have. So I'll probably be back on later on this evening for the live. Well, not for the live, this evening, and do a separate live to talk about how to get started with the Pocket Coach for all the new members and such. So hope y'all enjoyed that. I will catch y'all shortly. This episode is sponsored by Built by Plant Supplements, the elite plant-based nutrition supplement company. Provides you with support for all of your goals, whether that's building muscle, losing fats, improving your performance in the gym, and getting some great night rest. All right. So if you're tired of people asking you constantly, where do you get your protein? Tell them bbpsubs.com. Come over and grab you some vegan protein powder, chocolate frosty flavored. 110 calories per serving with 22 grams of protein. And if you don't like chocolate, we got a vanilla ice cream as well. Get your pre-workout powder so you can be a beast in the rest. Go ahead and grab you some nightcaps. Good melatonin, gonna help you be knocked out, not waking up in the middle of the night, none of that bad stuff. All right, so bbpsubs.com, use the checkout code BBP10 and save 10% off your whole order. On top of that, free shipping over any order over $75. bbpsubs.com. Let's get back to the episode.